Mother dear, oh pray for me, whilst far from heaven and thee. I wander in a fragile bark o'er life's tempestuous sea. O Virgin Mother, from thy throne, so bright in bliss above, protect thy child and cheer my path with thy sweet smile